guys, somewhere around here there's an owl. Hooch, Drago, and Crackers are sleeping. Somewhere up in the tree over there.
I keep hearing it.
Shh. Where is it? Come on, talk. Come on, again. Please, for me. There it is. Damn. Not sure if you guys saw it, but that was just an owl right there.
Mom.
There it is. I can't tell if you guys saw it. I'm just telling you, we're not lying.
Come on.
We would not be quiet in the woods if we were not lying. If we were lying. We'd be at our base.
Where is it?
Don't know.
Okay.
Hey guys, we're heading Elizabeth's death. We're heading Elizabeth's death pit. Right over there. Where'd it go? Oh yeah, guys, there's a jail up there, right up there. Elizabeth's jail. Here, Angel Case, take the camera.
Yeah.
I think it left.
Where is it? Okay, guys. I think it left too.
Sorry.
I think we're gonna sign off. Elfy just made a giant, enormous sneeze.
Sorry.
Shut up, Elfy. Shut up. Alright. See ya. Hopefully we see the owl again, and if we do, we'll try to catch it on video again.
Please don't click dislike because you didn't see it. If you did not see it.
Yeah. Sorry if you didn't see it, but we definitely saw it. Bye.